Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today we have two exciting, that's four, so that's two two exciting unboxing here. So I went to Louis Vuitton store looking for a Sarah multi-carte card holder. I'll insert photo somewhere here. So I really liked the card holder, so I wanted to see if they have that in store. But unfortunately, they, as they told me that it was all sold out. But she showed me another card holder that, piqued my interest. So that's this one here. So let's open this together. It's a new model, she's told me. So it's also a card holder. So it's a new model, and funnily enough, this one doesn't have a name, it just says card holder on the website. So are you guys ready to see? Here comes this card holder. So it's got this gusseted pocket on the side and has one snap button, and it's like it's got this accordion style pocket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, and then there's this middle pocket here. Maybe I don't know what you can put in here, but it's got this like 4 little pockets here, and this is coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. Yeah, so when she showed me this, I was like, oh, I didn't see this on the website, but that's interesting. I like it, so I'll take it. So I went in looking for Sarah multi-carte card holder, but ended up with this gusseted card holder. So it's really interesting design. So I normally do not carry a lot with me. I don't use like full size or like small size wallet. I mainly just use card holder as my main wallet because I don't carry a lot. I generally don't carry cash with me either, so this card holder is like enough for me as a wallet. So I've been using this key clay as my main wallet. This is enough for me to carry this card. I think this is like 7 cards that I normally need to carry every day. So this fits in here, and I've been using this as my wallet. So let's see how this fit into this. So let's put in 1 card. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5, and I still have 2 cards left. So let's see how this looks. Wow, that's interesting. So with 5 cards, it closes nicely. It doesn't increase the thickness that much. So now let's double some of the slots. So I'm gonna put this one here, 2 cards. Let's put in more cards in here. So it has 9 cards, and then 1 more. So now it has 10 cards. Wow. So that's interesting. It's about, with 10 cards, it's about 3/4 of an inch. So it's not that thick. And what I like about this card holder is that it's gusseted, so I can expand this out and easily scan for the cards that I need. I don't have to like try to find the cards in here like so. So I like it. You can probably put in more cards in each slot. That's interesting. Wow, I like it. I really like this card holder. It's very interesting. Didn't expect to find this. But anyway, so there is that unboxing. And you're probably wondering what this is. So let's put this aside right here. This isn't a purse or card holder. It is... Dun, 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 dun. What do you think this is? It is a perfume. I got Apogée perfume. I sampled at the store and the smell was very floral and light, so I really liked it. I think this is one of the most popular perfume for Louis Vuitton. So I just decided to go ahead and pick one up. So let's open this. Can't take this out. So it comes in this cylindrical container. Says Apogée. Here we go. You can engrave your name as well, or initials or your name, up to 3 characters. I've seen another YouTuber that said sometimes they can do up to 5 characters. But when I asked the essay if she could engrave 5 characters for me, she said no, it's up to the 3 character. So I don't know, maybe if you find a nice essay in some other store, maybe they'll engrave up to 5 characters for you, but she said no. So anyway, I might get it engraved later. For now, I just told her I'll think about it. So here is, this is, I think this is 100 milliliter size. Yeah, I think this is 100 milliliter. So you can see the size of my hand and the size of the bottle. So the cap comes, it's magnetic cap. So you can see it's magnetic. So that's nice. I like this. I'm gonna spray this a little bit. It's very nice. It's very light and light floral. I don't know what the keynotes are. It's probably available on the website, but I like it very much. So yeah, that's what I picked up. So anyway, that's it for today. And thank you for watching, and hope you come back to my channel for some other videos. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.